We used to hide under the covers, serenade each other with careless melodies. Something very deep inside us, the major and the minor, were like piano keys. Play for me. We played for me by your side.
Hindi ko na sana pinagmasdan ang iyong ganda, at hindi na rin pinansin pa bawat ngiti mong may gayuma. Dahil sa akala ko hindi ako iibig sa'yo, ikaw pala ang aaki sa puso ko.